Okay, so ons skop af met 'n superset van lat pull downs and reverse grips. 12 to 15 reps on each exercise, directly after each other. And then we break like 30 to 1 minute in between sets or supersets. Okay, over to the reverse pull downs for biceps and lats. Okay, we add a little extra workout. Strict curls, 12 right on the arm, 12 left on the arm. This combination work together, both exercise on the machine and the dumbbell strict curl. Okay, dan kap ons 'n bietjie seated pulley rows, 12 to 15 reps. En dan gaan ons op superset met hammer curl bars vir biceps. Lekker op die rug. Right, dis is bietjie rof. So. Hammer curl bars. Okay, ons volgende 2 oefeninge is 1 superset, 1 hour pull downs, 12 rechts, 12 links, 12 right, 12 left. 4 sets, and then we superset it with side arm rows. Right, left arm, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the side arm pulls. Say, good. We do 10 right, 10 left. Nice. Okay, move over to the left arm, pull. Okay, next exercise is bent over barbell rows with pronated grip. And here we go. 10 to 12 reps, 4 sets. 10 tot 12 repetisies, 4 stelle. En die lig is baie skerp. Good. Okay, dan gaan ons weer na superset toe vir rope curls, vir biceps. 12 tot 15 reps, lekker hoog, want die biceps brand. Moet vloei. Hou die elleboog vas by die ribbekas. Right, so superset hierdie 2. Okay, en ons laaste exercise vir vandag is bodyweight rows sommer by die Smith machine. Superset ons met die laaste biceps, alternate hammer curls. 12 links, 12 rechts op die biceps en maximum reps op die bodyweight rows. Okay, ons die bicep hammer curls. There we go. Okay mense, dis dit vir die workout vir vandag. Back and buys. Enjoy hom.